Assalamu alaikum class 3. Today we are going to read unit The Generous Cobbler. As we already have read part 1 and 2 in our previous videos, now today we are going to read part 3 inshallah. Let's start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Now this part of the unit is on page number 100. So you all have to open page number 100 and listen to me very carefully. What happened next? Ubaidur Rahman walked to the nearby mosque, washed his wound and performed wudu. He bent down in sajda before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and recited the same verse learned from the traveler. The prayer mat was wet with his tears. He was in sajda for a long time. Now what happened when his neighbor kicked out from his house and did not give him the food? So he went to the mosque. Ubaidur Rahman went to the mosque and washed his wound and performed wudu. And he recited Salah. And then what happened next? See? Okay. He did not even notice that a man had entered the mosque. After praying Salah, the man greeted the cobbler and said, "I am a merchant from another town. This city is new to me. My servant had died on the way. I am looking for an honest man to do his job. I see that you are a God-fearing person. Would you like to work for me?" Okay, so what is the meaning of greeted? Yes, when you say salam to somebody, assalamu alaikum, that means you are greeting someone. Okay, and what is the meaning of honest? Yes, sincere, truthful. So, Ubaidur Rahman was a truthful person, the honest man. And he was God-fearing person too. The cobbler agreed readily. The merchant gave him some money and said, "You can begin work from tomorrow." Now, what is the meaning of readily? That is willingly. Okay, now today we will do question number 10, 11 and 12 in this video. So, question number 10 is, why did the merchant give money to the cobbler? Yes, we all know. Yes, now write this question in your text notebook and answer these questions in your text notebook. Alright, question number 11 is, why did the merchant keep Ubaidur Rahman as his servant? Alright, now we are moving towards page number 101, same part of the unit. Alright, the cobbler bought some food from the bazaar and took it home. His family was delighted. They ate their food and thanked Allah. The cobbler did not forget the words. He put the share of the birds aside, hoping to feed them early in the morning. So what is the meaning of delighted? Yes, glad or happy. When someone is extremely happy, that means delighted. Okay, so his family was delighted because they had a food. Alright, so the cobbler started working with the merchant. He worked honestly and learned the new trade. Okay, what is the trade? Selling or buying goods. Okay, so they earned huge profit in a short time. After some time, the merchant returned to his native country. What is native? Home place. From where he came from. Alright? Okay. Ubaidur Rahman then took over the business of the merchant and soon became a rich man. He built a beautiful house for himself and employed many servants. In the kitchen, all the varieties of dishes were cooked every day, but no person was turned away from his door. Even the birds on the banyan tree continued to get their share of the food. Now, what is the meaning of varieties? Types or kinds of dishes. All right. So now his life was completely changed. Now, question number 12. This question also you have to do in your English text notebook. After writing the question, write the answer in your notebook. Why was so much food cooked in the cobbler's kitchen? Now you can easily write the answer. Very good. Now we are moving towards our next exercise that has to be done only in your book. That is on page number 104. Now, in this exercise, in this activity, all you need to do is you have to read these actions, what is happening, and you have to look at the pictures. And you have to write the correct number under that picture. All right. For example, in number 1, cobbler mending shoes. So as we clearly see here, you will write in the box 1. And in this second picture, you can clearly see he is feeding the birds and sitting with that traveler. Okay, so you will write number 2 over here. And exactly like this, you will do the rest of the parts. Now, in your notebook, in your text notebooks, we are going to make some sentences. Yes, they are so easy. So, sentence number 1 is readily. That means willingly. Now, the sample sentence is Ali readily agreed to help her sister in her science project. Now, what you need to do? You will write the word along with the meaning, then you will write the sample sentence, what I have told you, and then you have to make your own sentence. Got it? Alright, our second word is honest. That means sincere, truthful. The sample sentence is, an honest man returned my wallet that I lost in the market. Sentence number 3, nearby. So what is the meaning of nearby? Close to. The sample sentence is, my grandmother lives nearby a beautiful river. Number 4 is delighted. That means happy or glad, when someone is extremely happy. The sample sentence is, Sarah is really delighted after getting good grades. Alright, now you know all the meanings and now you know all the sample sentences, and now you can make your own sentences in your notebook after writing the sample sentence. Got it? Alright students, that's all for today. Jazakallah. Take care.